Hi, welcome. I'm Mandy Curry with Healthy Kids Inc. Joe Crockett is with us. He's our chef of the day, and we're going to show you how to make a cereal bar for breakfast. All right, Joe, let's show them what we have.
All right, first we want to start with some dried cereal. Add that to the bowl.
And we've used popped rice for this. This is a kashi cereal that we're going to use to make our breakfast bar.
Okay, we're also going to use some seeds. These are sunflower seeds. There we are.
Perfect.
We also have some dried fruit. So we have dried raisins, cranberries.
That's everything, yeah. And you could add blueberries if you wanted to. Any type of dried fruit that you have would work.
Right.
Oh, perfect. That's nice and colorful. Kids will like
and
this.
You want to use some ground cinnamon for flavor, which with this amount you're going to want a decent bit.
Okay.
So it's going to look like a lot, but really won't be.
Great. And now we have almond butter that we have used, and also we have used a butter substitute, which is just the Earth's Balance buttery spread, just a combination of olive oils that we're going to be using in place of the butter. And we've melted that in the microwave for a few seconds.
Pour this over the top.
Perfect.
Right.
So the idea is to get this as moist as we can. Probably using our hands is going to be the best. And then we're going to put this into a dish that will go into the freezer for about 30 minutes. And then we'll be able to cut it.
The recipe calls for us to moisten our hands with cold water. We want to start to distribute this onto our dish. You hold the bowl and I will scoop. Right, and I believe we can put this in the freezer.
Very good. Okay, 30 minutes in the freezer.